Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In last lecture, we saw some basic information on amalgamation of firm. Amalgamation of firm means what? How to solve the practical problem on amalgamation of firm, that is journal entries. Which journal entries should follow for solving the amalgamation of firm. These journal entries we saw in the last lecture. In today's lecture, we will see the practical problem on amalgamation. Okay, now see the question. Following is the balance sheet of two firms as at 31st March 2014. Following is the balance sheet of two firms is given. Liabilities are given: Prem, Anil, Raj, Sham. General reserve, creditors and bills payable. Prem's company and Raj company's balance sheet is given. Assets are given: Prem and Raj, both the companies. It was mutually agreed to amalgamate the business from 1st April 2014. The Prem company and Raj company, both the company decided to amalgamate the business. From when? From 1st April 2014. Terms of amalgamation were as follows, and they followed the following terms for the amalgamation. First, premises was valued at rupees 10,000, means this is the value of premises 5,000 rupees, but in a new company it will taken at rupees 10,000. Computer of rupees 12,000, computer value is 10,000, but new company will take over the computer at rupees 12,000. Furniture we are not taken over by new firm. The furniture of old company, means furniture of Prem and furniture of Raj, were not taken over by the new company. A reserve of a 5%. A reserve of 5% is to be created by on a debtors, and should create the 5% reserve on debtors, means should create a 5% RDD on debtors. Goodwill was valued at rupees. Goodwill was value Mrs. Prem and Company 10,000, means goodwill of Prem is 10,000 and goodwill of Raj is 15,000. Clear? The new firm also assume other assets and liabilities of old firm at a book value. Means other book, means premises revised value is given, computers revised value is given, furniture were not taken over by new firm, but inventory, all the assets, all other assets and liabilities were taken over by the at a book value, means as it is 9,000, 8,000. Inventory's value is 9,000, 8,000. So it taken over at a book value. Bank 2,000, 4,000. It will taken as it is. Cash 1,000, 2,000. It will taken as it is. Next is creditors, liabilities also, means creditor and bills payable also taken over as it is. Okay, clear? Then what you have to solve? Show the accounts in the books of old firm. You have to prepare the different accounts in the books of old firm. Old firm means who? Old firm means in the books of Prem and in the books of Raj. Prepare the various accounts and balance sheet of new firm. Prem Raj and Company. New firm. What is the name of new firm? Prem Raj Company. Clear? Old firm. Prem is the old company. Raj is an old company. On 1st April, they amalgamate and Prem Raj is a new company they form. Clear? So now we will start the solution. First, for the solution purpose, we need to calculate the purchase consideration. Then how to calculate the purchase consideration? First, A is what? Assets. Assets at agreed value. Assets at agreed value. Assets at agreed value. Then write down the assets of all. Which assets taken over? Assets at agreed value. Okay. Now see. First asset is premises, right? But premises only in Raj company is given. So premises, write down first. Premises. assets taken over at agreed value. Write down the heading, assets taken over at agreed value. First is premises. In Prem company, no any premises, so put a dash. In Raj company, see, in a Raj company, how much the value of premises? 5,000. But premises were valued at rupees 10,000. So taken a revised value. So 10,000 here. Total is also 10,000. New companies, Premraj company. Next. Next is, see, next asset is which? Next asset is computer. Computer is taken over at rupees 12,000. So write down computer at rupees 12,000 in Prem company. In Raj company, put a dash. Total is also 12,000. Now, next asset is furniture. But furniture we are not taken over by new firm. So don't take a furniture. Next is inventory. Inventory, no any revised value is given. So inventory's value write as it is. Inventory 9,000, 8,000. Write down inventories. Inventory 9,000 and 8,000. Total is 17,000. Total is which? How much? 17,000. Next asset. Next, which asset? Debtors. So debtors, but should create a 5% RDD on debtors. So write down the value of debtors. Debtors 5% RDD on debtors. So see, how much the value of debtors? See here, how much the value of debtors? 6,000. So 6,000 minus 5% means 5,700. 5,700. Next is, how much the value of in Prem company? 14,000 minus 5%. It means 13,300. 13,300. Then total is 13,300. 13,300 plus 5,700. It means 19,000. It means how much? 19,000. Clear? Less 5% RDD from debtors. Next is bank. So bank write down as it is. Bank as it is. Bank. How much the value of bank? 2,000 and 4,000. Total is 6,000. Next is cash. Cash. How much the value of cash? 1,000, 2,000. Total is 3,000. Clear? Now, next is goodwill. Goodwill. See, how much the goodwill of Prem company? Goodwill of Prem company is 10,000 and goodwill of Raj company is 15,000. So 10,000 and 15,000. 10,000 and 15,000. Total is 25,000. Clear? All the assets taken over. See, premises written, computer is also written, furniture. No furniture taken over, so don't write the furniture. Inventory, write down, written. Debtors, 5% added on debtors also written. Bank, cash and goodwill. Okay, means all the assets are written. So now total assets. Total assets. Do the total. Do the total. See how much? 12,000 plus 9,000 plus 5,700 plus 2,000 plus 1,000 plus 10,000 is how much? 49,700, right? 49,700. Next, Raj. Total of Raj 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 13,300 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 15,000. How much total? 52,300, right? 52,300. And total of Prem Company. Total of Prem Company. Total of Prem Company is how much? 92,000. Clear? 92,000. These are the total assets. Clear? Everyone getting how to write the assets? Now, B is outsider liabilities, external liabilities or outsider liabilities. External liabilities. External liabilities. See which external liabilities are given in the question? Only creditors and bills payable, and no revised value of creditors and bills payable is given. So creditors and bills payable, write down as it is. Write down creditors. Creditors. How much the value of creditors? 5,000 and 4,000. Total is 9,000. Next is bills payable. Bills payable. How much the value of bills payable? 5,000 and 3,000. Means total is 8,000. Now do the total. Only two external liabilities are given. So total liabilities. Total external liabilities. Total external liabilities. 10,000. Here 7,000. And here is 9,000 plus 8,000. That is 17,000. Clear? This is the total external liabilities. Now next C. C is net or purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. How to calculate the purchase consideration? A minus B. Then calculate the purchase consideration. A minus B means total assets minus total liabilities. Means 29,700. 29,700. Then Raj Company. Raj Company is 45,300. 45,300. And Prem Raj, that is a new company. New company is 75,000. Clear? How to calculate purchase consideration? Write down the assets which are taken over by new company. Assets, write down the assets. Only those assets who's taken over by the new company. And next is external liabilities. Only write down the external liabilities, not the all liabilities. Only write down the external liabilities. Clear? And next is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. How to calculate the purchase consideration? How to calculate purchase consideration? A minus B. Then you will get a purchase consideration. Now, necessary accounts in the books of Prem Company. Both the old companies, we have to calculate all the necessary accounts. First, we will do the necessary accounts in the books of Prem Company. So first, prepare the realization account. First, prepare realization account. In last lecture, I already explained which account should prepare in the old book. So prepare the first, prepare the realization account, prepare the columns, particular amount, particular amount, particular amount, particular amount. Next, prepare the partners capital account. Which partners in the Prem Company? In Prem Company, there are two partners. That is, one is Prem and next is Anil. So prepare a column, particular Prem Anil, particular Prem Anil. These two partners in a Prem Company. And next, prepare the new company's account. New company is which? New company is Prem Raj Limited. So prepare the accounts of Prem Raj Limited. Okay? Prepare the accounts of Prem Raj Limited. See here, in last lecture, I already explained which account should prepare. See here, following accounts should open in the books of old firm. Realization account, partners capital account, cash oblique bank account is optional. If the assets not taken over by partner and the assets which are sold in the market, then you have to calculate the cash and bank account. If no any information is given regarding the cash and bank account, then don't prepare this account. And next is purchasing firm account, that is new company account. So in see here necessary accounts in the books of old firms, so we prepare all three accounts. Clear? Now how to solve the problem, how to do the postings. Now see, first entry. See the first journal entry. What is the first journal entry? Asset transfer. Assets transfer. So transfer all the assets. See which assets are given of Prem company. See in the question, computer, furniture, inventory, debtors, bank, cash. Transfer all the assets. Transfer all the assets. Transfer all the assets to assets. Transfer all the assets. Write down which assets are given. Computers. Amount. Write down the book value now. 10,000. Next is furniture. Furniture. How much the value of furniture? 5,000. Next is debtors. Debtors. How much the value of debtors? 6,000. Next is inventory. Inventory. How much the value of inventory? 9,000. Next is bank. How much the value of bank? 2,000. Next is cash. How much the value of cash? 1,000. Now write second entry. First entry is asset transfer. We transfer all the assets. Next is liabilities transfer. Liabilities transfer. What is the entry? Liabilities account debit to realization account, means credit side of realization account, means credit side of realization account. Write down by external or outsider liabilities, whatever you can write. External liabilities. By external liabilities, write down the name of liabilities. Creditors and bills payable. So write down creditors. Creditors. How much the value of creditors? 5,000. So write down 5,000. Write down the value of creditors is 5,000. So write down 5,000. Next is bills payable. So next is bills payable. Bills payable. How much the value of bills payable? Next is bills payable. How much the value of bills payable is? Also 5,000. Clear? First is asset transfer. Second is liability transfer. Now next entry. See the next journal entry. Purchase consideration due. What is the entry? Purchasing firm account debit, means new firm account debit to realization, means credit side of realization. Means credit side of realization by Prem Raj Company. By Prem Raj Company. In bracket write down PC. PC means purchase consideration. See the how much the value of purchase consideration? 29,700. So write down 29,700 in the books of P. 29,700. Now corresponding effect in a Prem Raj Company to realization. In bracket PC. In bracket PC. Amount is 29,700. 29,700. Clear? All three entries. First entry is asset transfer, second entry is liabilities transfer. Asset transfer, realization account debit side. Liabilities transfer, realization account credit side. Purchase consideration, purchasing firm account debit to realization. Realization account credit side, purchasing firm means new company account debit side. Now next is taken over by partner. No any assets taken over by partner here. See here any asset taken over by partner. Any asset is taken over by partners. Yes. On which assets? Furniture. Furniture is taken over by assets. But see here. Furniture we are taken over by, not taken over by new firm. It means furniture we are taken over by partners. So what will be the entry? See what is the journal entry? Asset taken over by partner. Then what will be the entry? See here, taken over by partner, capital account debit side. So realization account credit side. So write down realization account credit side. Realization account credit side by Prem in bracket furniture. Because furniture were not taken over by new firm, it means furniture taken over by partner. And next partner is Anil. In bracket write down furniture. Furniture. See, how much the value of furniture is 5,000. So distribute between two partners equally. 2,500, 2,500. Corresponding effect, which account? Partners capital account debit side to furniture. To realization. To realization. In bracket write down furniture. In bracket write down furniture. How much? 2,500 and 2,500. Clear? Now, next entry. Next is partners capital balance brought down by balance brought down. By balance brought down. See how much the capital balance of Prem? 11,500. 11,500. Prem is 11,500. Anil is 11,500. Now see, all entries are finished. See, next journal entry is which? Next journal entry is asset transfer over, sale of asset. No any asset here, sale. So don't do the journal. Don't do that journal entry. Next, no any liabilities taken over by partners. No any expenses incurred. No profit on realization. Now close the realization account. So all the journal entries are finished. Now close the realization account. Do the total of realization account. How much total of realization account? Do the total of realization account. Total of realization account is 44,700. Total of realization account is how much? 44,700. Total is 44,700. Now find out the difference to profit. To profit. Find out the difference between Prem and next is between Anil. How much the difference between these two? 5,850 and 5,850. Now this profit transferred to the partner's capital account by realization. By realization in bracket profit. In bracket profit. How much the amount of profit? 5,850, 5,850. Okay. Now balance carried down. Now close the partner's capital account. So total of partner's capital account. Do the total of partner's capital account. How much total of Prem? 17,350. Anil 17,350. Okay. Prem is 17,350. Anil is 17,350. And now find out the difference to the new firm. To Premraj Company. To Premraj Company. How much difference? Premraj company 14,850 and in Anil 14,850. Okay. Now write down by Prem, by partners capital account, by partners capital account, or directly write down by Prem. How much the amount of Prem? By Prem. How much the amount of closing? 14,850. And next is by Anil 14,850. By Anil 14,850. Now do the total of new firm, that is Premraj. The total of Premraj 29,700. Here also 29,700. That is tallied. If your new company account is tallied, that is your solution is right. Clear? How to transfer? First, transfer the assets at book value. Next, transfer the external liabilities at book value. Then write down, then third entry is purchase consideration. Fourth entry is assets taken over by, if any asset not taken over by new firm, then that asset should distribute between the partners. So next is asset taken over by partners, and next entry is by balance carried down. Close the realization account, then close the partners capital account, and then Prem new company's account. The new company account is always tallied. Okay, these are the journal entries in the books of Prem. Same as journal entries in the books of Raj also. So that journal entry we will see in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.